What is up, guys? My name's Landon. Welcome back to my... But right here, I have a 1969 Toyota Crown. Probably can't see much. Yeah. It's a 1969 Toyota Crown. I'm 13, but I got this car just to do like a restoration for when I'm older, because it was really cheap. It was $750. I have to do chores around the house to pay it off, and hopefully YouTube. But I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be installing some battery terminals with these leads, or wires if you want to call it. So then the other one's just there. Oh God's sake. Perfect, straight into the ground. But I'm gonna have a view of the GoPro, which will be on my head. And so far, these are the things that you need. You need like a ratchet to bolt the bolts down, obviously. Pliers to twist the cord wires around. And that's really all I know that you need. You're gonna be on a tripod, and my head, obviously. So let's get into the build. There's gonna be more than one video. There's gonna be a fair bit of videos. So this is project number 1, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. So let's open these. Is it in shot on that? Yep, let's open them. I really don't know how. Oh yeah, it's pretty simple. Okay. Oh yeah, that was easy. I'll put this. I'll just put that there. Open them up. You got your... what one's this? Then this... oh, got the positive and then the negative. I've been told that it doesn't matter which one it goes on, so let's just unwind them. Put one down. So unwind it. Today. Open this up. Hopefully the lighting's fairly good on this. I'm not quite sure. Let's just get this one. Oh, these pliers are weird. I've been told that you have to twist them around. So let's do that. I really don't know. That should be good. I'm hoping to God it's good. Oh no! Oh. Just lost the bolt and almost dropped it. That would not be fun. Not one bit of fun would be in there. So feed. Oh, this is gonna be a pain in the buttocks. Feed this through. Okay. That did not work. Looks like I got a roast B. One's good. Okay, so it doesn't want to come out well. That's messy and annoying. Place that on there. Place that there. I don't even know if the screws are long enough. They better be. That's gonna be a pain if they're not. Let's get these finger timed. And then come back with the ratchet. Not quite sure what size it is, so let's give this size a go. What do you know? Perfect. So it's a 10mm. I just have the extension just to make my life a bit easier. By the way, it's really cold right now, so This sucks. Working with metal while it's cold and my ratchet's going the wrong way. Yay. Tighten, tighten, tighten. Jeez. That seems pretty good. Flatten the wire. Now for the other one. Yay. Sorry if I'm doing this wrong. Don't have like a mental breakdown in the comments. What the hell? Whoop. Wow. They're like different sizes. What the heck? Okay. That's confused me a lot. Just put you in there. Awesome. That's very weird. Oh, first I should probably twist the wire. Just make life easier. Oh my gosh! What is this? What? Oh my god. So, all you're gonna see is this camera right here. Not the GoPro anymore. Because the GoPro decided to die on me. Sadly. Let's get a bolt through, and then the nut. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Oh, damn, son. Damn. There we go. Let's get the other nut and bolt in and tighten them down and we're done. So that's not very hard. Oh yeah, by the way guys, this is a 6-cylinder engine, Toyota. This is a very Japanese car. Pretty cool how it's a really good car. The next video, I guess, I'll show you just around it, maybe. Just do stuff like that, I'll show you around it, then we'll get properly into the series, because I have like a good amount of, well, kind of do. I have like an image what I want done for it. Still working out what color I want it. It's going to be like an original color, not not a new color type of thing. It's either a green or a blue type of color like that. Just put this away. I'll show you the color maybe. I don't know if I can be bothered. So I'll show you in 3, 2, 1 now. That was the blue. And then the green is in 3, 2, 1 now. You may know what they look like. You may not. My hair's a complete mess right now. I don't have my hat on. So I had the GoPro on, so yeah. But they're the two colors I'd go. It's going to be bagged. So it goes down and then up, which is really cool. Oh, and this is a funny story about it. Lifting up the trailer, we put it on the radiator support. You're apparently not meant to do that. I never knew that. But we put it on the radiator support and we bent that forward, which made it unable to open the bonnet, which was a real pain in the buttocks. The butt. And then it took me 3 days to do it. I even had one of my good friend Nick over, his friend from school, and I'm pretty sure the next day, I think it was, I walked up to it. Wow. You see my breath? But I walked up to the car. It was really cold like it is right now. And then I just went like this. Let me get it in shot. I just put my hand on this thing and it just went boom. And it popped open. Just out of nowhere, popped open. I was like very excited / annoyed. But I'm really happy I have it open. I haven't shut it since. I'm too scared to. Because that was a pain in the butt to do. And yeah. This is the first project series on my new channel named Rodwell. The chance it might change, I don't know. Like Rodwell and cars, I don't know. We'll see. Go subscribe to my other channel named Rodwell Media. Link in the description for that. That's practically my main channel. This is just like a backup car style channel. What's this? I don't know. But focus. Okay. This is the first project series. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope I enjoyed it, which I did, editing. This is practically a how to install these. Wow. How to install battery terminals. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Goodbye. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell everybody you know about this channel and this video. Get them all to subscribe. Just help a brother out. But thanks for watching. Keep on smiling. No. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and goodbye.